Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to create a peaceful forest waterfall scene on a black canvas, full of glowing autumn colors, flowing water, and a cozy wooden viewpoint in the foreground. One of the biggest advantages of painting on a black canvas is the incredible contrast it creates. Bright colors instantly appear richer, deeper, and more dramatic, helping the highlights glow beautifully without needing too many layers of paint. I begin by using a soft sponge and white paint to gently cover part of the upper canvas, creating a misty, glowing sky. The sponge helps soften the texture and allows the paint to blend naturally into the black background, giving the atmosphere a dreamy depth right from the beginning. Next, I mix blue, yellow, a touch of red, and a little black to create a muted forest green. Using the sponge again, I softly tap the paint onto the canvas to build the distant background trees. Instead of painting individual trees at first, I focus on creating the feeling of a dense forest far away in the distance. The soft, tapping motion keeps everything blurry and atmospheric, which helps create depth in the painting. Now I start introducing warmer tones into the forest. By adding yellow and red to the mixture, the greens shift into glowing olive, moss, and golden autumn shades. With a small flat brush, I begin shaping brighter trees hidden among the darker layers. From here, I continue changing my color slightly as I move through the forest, sometimes warmer, sometimes cooler, creating a rich variety of natural tones that makes the scene feel alive and realistic. As I move closer to the foreground, the colors become brighter and the shapes more defined. I add soft highlights along the outer edges of the trees and gently blend them inward so the lighting feels natural and smooth. On the opposite side of the painting, I repeat the same process while adding several taller trees with different shapes and tones to avoid repetition and make the forest more dynamic. By the way, I'd really love to know where you're watching this video from. It always makes me happy to see how people from all around the world connect through painting and creativity. So please share your country or city with me in the comments below. Using a small round brush, I then paint clusters of clearer leaves in certain areas, allowing some branches and foliage to overlap naturally. Thin tree trunks begin appearing between the layers of leaves, helping the forest feel fuller and more believable. I softly bring some leaves over the trunks as well, creating the impression that the trees are deeply woven together inside the woods. For the lake and river area, I need a very dark reflective tone. I mix blue, red, and yellow together to create a deep, near black color and paint the flowing water beneath the forest. This dark base makes the highlights of the waterfall stand out beautifully later on. With diluted white paint, I begin painting a small waterfall flowing from the center of the forest into the dark water below. I add soft streaks, splashes, and tiny foamy highlights across the river surface to suggest movement and energy. These flowing lines help create depth, texture, and the natural rhythm of moving water. Now I want to add a special foreground element, a wooden viewing deck extending into the scene. Maybe this is where we are standing right now, quietly admiring the peaceful waterfall hidden deep in the forest. Using warm beige, cream, and soft brown tones, I sketch the structure of the wooden platform and railings. Then, with a smaller brush, I carefully refined the details, edges, and perspective lines to make the deck feel solid and realistic. Paying attention to the angles here is very important because perspective helps pull the viewer directly into the painting. Finally, I add delicate finishing details throughout the scene, tiny branches beneath the trees, brighter outer leaves catching the light, and subtle highlights around the water and forest edges. These small touches bring the entire painting to life and give the landscape a more natural and immersive feeling. I hope you enjoyed painting this magical waterfall forest with me today. If you did, please support the channel with a like, comment, and subscribe. Your support truly means a lot and helps me continue creating more peaceful acrylic painting tutorials for you. Until the next painting, take care and happy painting.